crowd out here. There's thousands of people out here. We are going to win this election. There ain't no doubt about it. Look at this. You will not see this on fake news. Look at this crowd. I've never seen a crowd like this in my life. This is amazing. We are going to win this election, hands down. All you Joe Biden supporters out there, be scared. Because we're going to win this thing. This is amazing.
Signed yet? Yep.
Signed? Which one's that?
The governor. What county are you from?
Is that the 1945?
Yeah. You already signed?
Yeah, I got that. More bikes over here. We are in Sterling Heights at Lakeside Mall. We got a truck rally going on. There is thousands upon thousands of people here. Oh, they got the Filipino flag. Is that the... Oh my God. I'm gonna send this to my girlfriend.
We don't want her.
Filipinos for Trump. You got the Filipinas out here. All right, Filipinas for Trump. I'm gonna send that to my girlfriend, Rosebell.